Hey, what's up, friends? It's Frankie with meekspace.org. Today I wanted to take a moment and show you how to download files from JW.org using the application Documents, or also referred to as Documents 5. And I use Documents 5 to manage all my files. I use it to download files from the web. I use it to connect to my Box or my FTP accounts. I use it to download theocratic videos, and I also use it to manage my music or my personal video library. So it'll basically let you do a lot of things. And so I recommend that you go to the App Store, and in the top right corner type in the word Documents and hit OK. You'll see a application called Documents 5. Go ahead and install that, and then open it up. You should see an application that looks like this, or a screen that looks like this. We're going to show you how to download from JW.org. So on the left hand side, go to the browser link, and my home page is JW.org, and so that's why you came right up to that. But click in there and type in JW.org, and it'll come up to the page that you see here. And if you know what you want, in this case I'm going to download the research guide, you can go into the search function. So top right corner, click search, and type in what you're looking for. In this case I'm looking for research guide, so type that in. And go ahead and hit search, and if what you type in matches something, you should get a list of things that match. In this case, research guides are the first thing, so we'll go ahead and click on that. Here we've got the option now to download it. So if you click on PDF, the thing you want to realize with PDF files is most browsers, most applications that open PDF files, because they know what a PDF file is, they'll just open it up for you to view it. And rather than just downloading it like we wanted it to do, it opened it up and showed it to us. But we really want to download it. And that's the problem that with Chrome or with Safari. A lot of times it just opens the document up and you can't actually download it unless you know the little secrets to that. But with Documents 5, this browser has a nice little feature in the top corner that's obvious. It's a little arrow pointing up. So go ahead and click on that little arrow pointing up, and you'll get a Save File dialog box. In this case, what we want to do is just we want to rename the file something that we can recognize just from looking at it. Okay, and so once we've typed the name, we'll go ahead and hit done. And in the top right corner there's a little down arrow. If you click on that, it'll show you things that you've downloaded. And you notice research guide is there. So now we've downloaded it. In the top left corner, the little lines, click on that to bring up your navigation bar again. And what we want to do is, now on the right hand side we've got the browser, so if you can leave that there, or you can just hit the little back arrows to the left there, and you can go back to the home page and put you back where you were. You don't have to do this, but I like to leave mine kind of at that default page. And then go to the little lines. In the top, go to Documents, and then if you go to your Downloads folder, that's where anything you download goes to start with. So click your Download folder. There's the research guide. Now you can click on it and open it, and you can view it from here. But what I like to do is organize it. And so top left corner, go back to Documents. You notice in the top left corner, or the top right corner, is an Edit link. Click Edit. What that'll let you do is all kinds of things. You'll notice on the left hand side a navigation bar comes up that will let us do things like copy, move, rename, delete, zip it, mail it to somebody, upload it to our Box folder or something like that. Or we can even at the bottom open it in a different application. So you don't want to use Documents, you want to use iBooks or something else. You can open in from here. But anyway, what I want to do is, after I've hit edit, I want to put a check mark on that file, and I actually want to move it. I want to put it in my theocratic folder. So I'll click Move, and your folders will come up, and it usually puts you in the last folder you were in. So go ahead and hit the little back arrow there, and it'll show you all your folders. I'm going to go into my theocratic folder, and I want to put it right in the root right next to my TMS work book. So I'm just going to hit Move right there, and it'll put it there. Now you notice my Downloads folder is now empty because I moved it. So in the top left corner, go back to Documents, and if I go into my theocratic folder, there's the research guide right there. And so I can click on it, I can use it. So that's how you download files from JW.org, specifically PDF files, because they're a little more difficult using Chrome or Safari. But I usually use Documents 5 to do all my downloading. I recommend you do that as well. And I'll probably put up another tutorial that kind of shows you how to use Documents 5 to its full ability. You'll notice on the left-hand side you've got a lot of other functionality. Under Network, you can use that to connect to online accounts such as Box, or, well, I'll click on that and just show you while we're here. There's a lot of different accounts. If you click Add, you notice it supports these automatically. So it supports Dropbox and Google Drive and Box and a lot of the other mainstream applications, even FTP servers like we've used here in the past. So anyway, I'll explain more in detail how to use Documents 5, but for now that should get you started on downloading files from JW.org. Thanks for watching this tutorial.